Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I would like to introduce myself. Okay, by the way, my name is Nur Ain Safia binti Basri and you can call me Ain. I'm from Kemaman, Terengganu. Currently, I study in TVET Mara Kemaman and I taking diploma mechanical engineering. Okay, as a student, my daily life is quite simple. Like, I go class with my friend. Then after class, I go to Dema or cafe to buy food. After that, when I have free time, I do my assignment or homework if I have. Then when I have free time, like weekend, I will out with my friend. I go to beach, cafe and more place interesting around in Kemaman. My hobby is play guitar. Like you can see, this is my first guitar and I have two guitar. The second guitar you not see but have here. Next, my hobby is I like to play games. I play Mobile Legends, Free Fire, GTA and more. Also Roblox. Okay. Next, the last my hobby is I like riding motorcycle because I like ride. I really like ride. And my future goal is I want to be a traveler because I like travel. My place I really want to go is Fairy Meadows in Pakistan. I really like this place because the place is very interesting, also beautiful, also adventure. I like adventure. So, 3 fun fact about me is I can play the guitar. I love riding motorcycle and I enjoy exploring new place and adventure. So thank you because watching my video. See you next time. Bye. Assalamualaikum.